I'm going to give a brief description of the 3-point grapple I have on my tractor and show it in use a little bit. This is made by Ryan's Equipment, as you can tell from the stickers, the decals. This is the smallest one they make. It's for a Category 1 hitch. My tractor is about a 60 horsepower. The opening of the grapple is 48 inches. The distance from the 3-point hitch portion back to the grapple is about 42 inches. They do make one size larger for Category 2. The grapple on that one is 60 inches wide, and I believe it's about 55 inches from the 3-point hitch back to the center of the grapple. It opens and closes hydraulically, and it rotates via spring. There is a spring in the box here. It'll rotate 270 degrees and then self-center itself as you go forward. Very well made. I've used it a lot. I have no issues with it. As a matter of fact, it's one of my favorite attachments for the back of the tractor. I have mine hooked up to the Power Beyond right here because I had that loose. I'm using my other auxiliary hydraulics back here. These go to the front for the front end loader, the auxiliary hydraulics there. These two go to my top and tilt kit, which I have. So you can see the Power Beyond hoses come up here to a lever there that I operate to open and close the grapple, and then I use the 3-point hitch raise and lower to raise and lower it. Both I built this bracket mounted here to the roll cage, and then this just slides on and off when I take the grapple off. Very simple, not much to go wrong with it. And I'll give a quick demonstration. There are other companies that make them. This, I don't know how the price point is on this compared to others, probably a little more. Ryan stuff is made in Michigan. It's all made in the USA, and their stuff is, like I said, is very well built. My philosophy generally is you get what you pay for, and if you can afford it, you know, buy once, cry once, and then don't worry about things breaking and then cost you more in the long run. So a little quick demonstration about how it goes up and down here. I don't know if this angle will work, but that's how you close it. Open it, raise, lower, and in my case, the nice thing is, a lot of times I have logs or brush or something that's down over a bank or over a hill or something, and I can use my top link. I'm using the loader arm. This switch controls, now the loader arm runs the top link, and then I can extend it down and then go down even further with the draft control. So really has a lot of vertical reach the way I have it set up. And I just click that, and I'll do it again to raise it back up. Click it again, now the loader functions work. So like I said, this just slides right off when I take the grapple off, and undo the hoses, and then put a jumper hose back in for the Power Beyond so that remains. I have a closed loop then. So there you go. That's how it works, and very handy. I forgot to mention, the small size, this one for the Category 1 hitch, is 8,500 pounds of clamping force. The larger one for the Category 2 hitch has 14,000 pounds of clamping force. I find this is adequate. Sometimes it doesn't, as I'm driving along, the load wants to shift a little bit if I don't have it grabbed quite right, and I'll just tighten it up as I'm going. So just something to get used to with what you've got. Guess I should also show you how small it'll close. And that closes, looks like to about maybe 3 inches or so. So it'll close up pretty tight.